Good afternoon. Today is May 26th, and this is the Balls Bounce assignment. This week I was not assigned with a partner, so I'm doing it alone. But yeah, so this week when I looked at the assignment, I noticed that it was very similar to the Turtle Bounce assignment. Essentially, it was almost the same thing, except it had five objects, and the shape was slightly changed. There was a ball, and it was colored red. So I thought it was going to be something similar like that. This is what my initial thoughts were. So I first created a file. The file was supposed to be named balls underscore bounds. And then from there on, it was at the header, my name, the date, and the assignment preview. From there, I imported the modules, import turtle and import random. And I created a window that is 500 by 500 with a title. From there on, I created a function to make the turtle object. So the turtle object had specifications. It had to be red, it had to be a circle, and it had to be within the window. A loop that created a total of five balls instead of one, like in the previous assignment, which it was just one turtle. This time it created five. And a while loop for the animation. Within the while loop, move the turtle, I think it was 5 pixels. And similar to the previous turtle assignment, create a function that checks to see if the turtle passes over the border. If true, it'll move the turtle back. I think it was 5 pixels and change the direction. So once again, I recorded my assignment. I think I had to fast forward a little back to the top. Okay, right here. So ballsbounce.py. My name, the date, and the assignment and bounce bounds. So imported total, imported random, set up the screen. So the title was balls bounds and the height and width of 500 by 500. This creates the shape of the turtle. So the circle shape of the turtle, the color red. These two commands. It starts like when it initiates the ball, it will put it in like in any random like a random place within the window, and it'll move it at a random place. So that's where the random import kind of came in a little. This function, what it did was basically similar to the previous assignment. It checked to see where the turtle had gone. So if it goes over 250 on the negative side and over 250 on the positive side, according to the x-axis, it'll return it back and it'll change directions. Same goes for the y-axis. If it goes 250 over or 250 lower, it'll once again return it back 5 pixels and change its directions. So let me go back a little right here. Balls. So to create the list, so since we have five balls, we need to manage them five individually. So I created a list to manage that. Here, creating the different balls using the loop. So we have in the range of five, so five total balls. Um, and then at the main animation. So while true, it'll move 5 pixels, and then the check bounce, it'll check to see if the ball has gone over the edge. So if I go over to the other video, here's full screen. So let me, when I try to do this, so something that I noticed was the balls don't necessarily line up to the border. However, this is due because of the screen. Like when I recorded it, it's full sized. So the border is 500 by 500, but like the window screen total is bigger than 500 by 500. So it doesn't, it looks like it's like stopping. It's like not at the edge, but if it was like a smaller window, it would stop at the edge. But when I try to record it, it just wouldn't record like the small window. So I just had to full screen. And yeah, here are the five balls bouncing on each corner, changing directions every time they do. And yeah.